Hello kids, it's me, Dr. Balls. And as you remember from last time, I'm like, stupid. And like, yeah. And I'm like, stupid. And I like to hijack cars. And I'm like, stupid. And I like to get all banged up. And I'm like, stupid. And I'm like, totally freaking gangster, yo! And I'm like, stupid. And I carry a gun around in my nose. And I'm like, stupid. And I take pills that keep me from having suicidal thoughts. And I'm like, stupid. And I'm like a professional of doing British accents. And I'm like, stupid. Yeah. So I'm like, stupid.